Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the First National Bank in Sioux Falls mobile banking app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The First National Bank in Sioux Falls mobile app is designed to provide customers with secure and convenient access to their accounts from anywhere. The application allows users to view account balances, check transaction history, transfer funds between accounts, pay bills, deposit checks by taking photos, and manage debit/credit cards. It is available on both iOS and Android and offers features such as Face ID/Touch ID login and real-time alerts for account activity. The app's main feature is its mobile banking convenience. Users can manage everyday banking tasks without a visit to a branch. From remote check deposits and instant transfers to balance alerts and payment scheduling, the app simplifies account management while maintaining security standards through encryption and biometric login. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean interface, smooth mobile deposit feature, and fast access to account information. The convenience of moving money, checking balances, and paying bills while on the go are commonly cited advantages. The security features like fingerprint or facial recognition login add to the peace of mind. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report occasional glitches with mobile check deposit or slower update of pending transactions. Also, advanced features such as integrated budgeting tools or external account aggregation may be limited or available only to certain customers. Depending on the account type and region, deposit and transfer limits may apply. In summary, the First National Bank in Sioux Falls mobile app may be worth using if you want reliable, secure, and convenient access to everyday banking functions, check balances, transfer funds, deposit checks, and pay bills from your phone. However, if you need high-level financial planning tools or full multi-bank integration, it might not meet all your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.